Hello viewers, today we are sharing the recipe of Oats Veg Rolls. These veg rolls are very tasty and healthy. It is loaded with vegetables. It's easy to make also. Now we'll make Oats Veg Rolls. Ingredients required for filling: finely chopped carrot half cup, finely chopped capsicum half cup, finely chopped beans half cup, paneer, finely chopped cabbage half cup, finely chopped onion 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon oil, coriander leaves, salt as per taste, green chilies 5 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger. We'll be making coarse paste of these 3. Masala powders: red chili powder half teaspoon, cumin powder or jeera powder half teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, dhania powder half teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon. We need oats chapati for making this recipe. Please check the description box for the link of oats chapati recipe. Now let's see how to make the filling. First take the kadai and put it on a high flame. Add the oil. Add finely chopped onion. Add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Now add beans. Carrot. Cabbage, mix it well. Add capsicum, now cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, check if the vegetables are cooked. Please don't cook too much, it should have that crunchy taste. Now add the paneer. Now add salt. Add sugar. Add all the masala powders. Mix everything well. add coriander leaves now. Cook for 2 more minutes. Now add the tomato sauce. Mix it well. Now the filling is ready. Now take the oats chapati and put the prepared vegetable filling . And roll the chapatis. Similarly, make the other rolls also. Now the oats veg rolls are ready. It can be served with tomato sauce. Oats veg rolls are very tasty and healthy, easy to make also. So please try the recipe.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get the instant notifications. Thanks for watching.